Hey everybody, welcome to Bits and Pieces of the Daily Daviston. Thanks for joining in. Wanted to talk to you about how to set your expectation when you're running service agreements, pre-planned maintenance, because we're probably going to start doing a lot of that pretty soon with spring coming up. If you do it properly, you'll make a lot more money. But why are we out there on service agreements? Here's why. We want to make sure the system is reliable, meaning we hope it doesn't break, efficient, meaning it runs at highest efficiency, and to some extent safety. If you're in the oil business, safety is always an issue. Air conditioning, not so much, but heat, certainly. But there are some safety issues on all of those. So reliable, safe, and efficient. So before you get started at the door in the greet, part of your greet's got to be, hey, Mrs. Jones, before I get started, can I share with you kind of what I like to do while I'm here? It's just real easy. You say, well, I'm going to get my tools, get started, and the reason I'm here is I want to make sure your system's reliable, safe, and efficient. I don't expect to find anything. I hope I don't find anything. I shouldn't find anything. But if I do, what I'd like to do is simply bring it to your attention, and you can tell me what you'd like to do about it, if anything. How does that sound? And that's it. I've had customers say, well, you better not find anything wrong with my system. And I just laugh and I say, well, okay, but if I do, tell me what to do. Yeah, do they want us to hide it from them? I mean, the reason we're there is for reliability. If you find something that you think is a reliability issue, just bring it to their attention. That's another class that you can that I'd have to teach you about how to ask for what you want. Join us first week in March. Look at my calendar here. I think it's first week in March. The link's down below to the free class, the service call blueprint. And we'll talk more about how to run a service call properly, strategies and skills that lead to higher revenue. Hey, thank you for joining in, and I hope you join us for the free class in a couple of weeks. God bless.